Hi, welcome to this video that show you what is Migafunnel. Migafunnel is a push notification system that is able to send out push after action and events that are happening inside your app. Not only one push is sent, but a funnel of push, so a sequence of pushes that you can plan with a delay between each pushes. The triggers and events that are supported right now are first login, first coupon use, first loyalty point use, and first order made. We will add new triggers in the future. So when one of these events is happening inside the app, the system starts to work, okay? So what is possible to do? To create a funnel of push, so you can set an unlimited number of pushes. For each pushes, I can select how many days and hours delay I want that this push has from the previous one. So the first push has a delay from the trigger and events of hours and days. For example, on first login, I can decide if the push has a delay of a few minutes or a few hours or a few days after the first event, that is the first login. And also between each pushes, I can set a delay in hours or days. By this way, I build my push funnel as I want. It's also possible to schedule to create many push funnels, so I can have a push funnel that is triggered on first login, another push funnel that is triggered on first coupon use, and so on. So I can choose and create many push funnels. Having said that, I want to show you briefly how it works, the system. First of all, you see here there is the feature added to the app, and here you see there is a front end in the app for the customer, for the app user. The app user is able to disable the automatic push, of course, and we allow this by this simple page where there is this selection here. This text description can be customized, and this is one of the first things to do. Here there is wait, I put in English the system, so it's better. Okay, so by selecting here the module, I can set the description here of this section. You can write here and explain to the customer, for example, that by disable this feature, he will never receive any automatic push, not all push at all, but all the automatic push that are sent automatically from the app. After done this setting, you can start to create a new push funnel. Here there is the button. By clicking here, you are able to set first the details of the funnel. There is the title. The title and descriptions is only used for you, for the app owner to understand, to remember what is doing this funnel. So for example, first login funnel, funnel sent to all users that log in my app. Here you can choose which trigger you can use. In this case, I want the first login, but you can also create funnels for first order placed, or first coupon places, or first loyalty point use. Imagine that you send a congratulation to the user after he validated the first point, and maybe you set another push after 10 days that remember to take care on the fidelity card. So there are many cool applications to engage the customer automatically. After we choose this, we should create the first push. Here there is the standard fields that you can find also in the push notification feature of Siberian. and it's sufficient to put the title, welcome to my app, the message of my push notification, text of my push, and then here you can choose if you want or not the link to this push to any feature inside your app or a custom URL as usual. So let's say that we select, for example, this feature. Push start. Here is necessary to tell to the system when this push should start. As soon as possible, normally is about 2, 3, 4 minutes after the event is recorded, okay? This because there is a cron that send out push notification that is not immediately in the system. Or you can choose a delay in hours, how many hours, or how many days after the event. So in this case, we'll leave as soon as possible because it's a welcome push notification that they send the congratulations because the user registered in the app. The status active, okay, and insert the cover page. So as usual, we can choose the image. For example, I put this one, okay, Migafunnel that we saw before, and put it as a picture. By this way, I save the push, and you see I have here my push funnel. By clicking edit, I can enter, see the rules. So here there is a push will start after 5-7 minutes after the trigger here above, and then here I can add another push. On this drop down menu I can select the push, the previous push as a trigger, okay? So the system is using this push to start to calculate what do after, okay? So I tell, okay, look when this push is sent and delivered to the user, and send out this push, for example, see my loyalty card, for example, blah blah blah, and here I can choose, for example, the loyalty card. We haven't a loyalty card here, but let's say see my Facebook, okay, my Facebook. When it's sent, maybe 1 day after the first one, or 3 days, or 1 week. So we can create a completely automatically app that is really engage the customers, and the app owner set this one time, and the app works for him always, every time, automatically. It's amazing. Here I can add, of course, again my picture and save it. So and so on. So I can create my push funnel one next one with the rules that I set here. Push will start 1 day after what? The welcome app message. Here, take care about this point. So I can select again the trigger. So because we have now 2 pushes above here, of course the system where I can choose between one of them. So I can choose, for example, that this, see my Facebook push notification, and choose that I want that this new notification is starting 1 day after this push notification, or 1 day after this one again, or 3 after this again, okay? Up to you. So you fill this form again, and it's saved in the system. So by this way you are able to create an automatic system for your app that is really amazing and very useful for application as direct response marketing and so on. Who is working in direct response marketing find this app really cool. It's the first funnel, push funnel system that we can offer to the market. I can create also, if I return back, you see here we have the first push funnel. Of course, I can create many other push funnels. If you see here, I have now 3 options to choose. The first one is not anymore possible because there is already this push funnel. So I can create the push funnel for these events. For the first order, for example, I send immediately a congratulations message because my customer placed the first order, and then maybe in 1 month I can remember to reorder again. Okay, so this is very, very powerful. If you want to delete one push funnel, first you need to go in and delete the last push. Okay, so you need to start from the last push here and delete every push before be able to delete completely the push funnel that you created. This is how it works to be consistent, the system. Okay, if you have any question, remember to send us an email to support@migastone.com and check, of course, the user manual that has all the instruction in details of this new module. Thanks for watching. Bye.